Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a special treat from SinglesSwag. I have the Mega Box. That's right, they had a special over, I guess, the Labor Day weekend. And I ordered a mega special in their shop. I got 30% off. It was a $60 box for $450, and with my coupon I got it for $41.20. Now, SinglesSwag is a subscription company, and you can get a monthly box if you're interested, and I believe it runs around $44.95 now a month, unless you're on contract, and there's always coupons out there, so I never recommend to buy at full price. I would say try to find one of those coupons. Now, I don't know if they have one currently going on, but I bet you they do. And sometimes they pop them up on Facebook and other places. And they might offer you a discount just going to their site if you want to sign up for a subscription. I do not subscribe to SinglesSwag anymore because they were sending me too many duplicates, and I just didn't want to have constant monthly duplicates of the same box that I bought the previous year. So I quit subscribing, but I thought I would get me this mega size bundle for $41 for $450 worth of product, which with them you have to take it with a grain of salt, divide it in two, so it might be $225 worth, but it's still a good value. And it says SinglesSwag, bigger is better. Enjoy your mega size mystery box. That's what it is, featuring the top most favored full-size items featured in SinglesSwag boxes. And then it says visit SinglesSwag.com for monthly boxes, a variety of mystery boxes and high-rated individual items. And then it says use post for 30% off, so that's a different code. So there, if you want to go on there, you can get 30% off with using the word post. So hey, answered our question. It doesn't have the pretty box that they normally have, and I got things falling out. Now, everything in here is going to be a duplicate for me. So, many of these items, not all, but many will end up in a giveaway at some point in time. But right now, we're going to see what we have. The first thing I'm pulling out is a cosmetic bag, and there's not going to be a card, like a product card, so I'm not going to know the individual value. It is a nice like PU leather. This is the brand. It's a Sienna May, and it's a very nice little bag, and it's got the little half moon or half sunshine, however you want to look at it. And if I remember correctly, this was, according to them, was around a $25 value for a cosmetic bag. But like I said, I don't have a card in here, so there's not going to be any values unless I happen to see one at the end. But that's the first item I have. The next item I have, I'll be using this. Yeah, it's a Botanica by Sponge Jelly. That's gonna smell good. It is a Rosa, and y'all know I like rose. I know a lot of you don't like rose, but I do. And it looks like this one's in a butterfly shape. Oh yeah, that smells very, very good. So that is something that I will use. I don't mind getting a sponge jelly again, of course. They are great. If you've never used them, they are an infused buffer. They exfoliate your skin as you're taking a shower. The next item I'm seeing in here is a Ivy Olivia, and this here is a headband. And it looks like this, and it's got a place for your ponytail. I remember that being such a interesting design, so different, but it's got nice color to it, and it's a nice little enclosure with the Velcro, so it is a nice little headband, great for using for your makeup and working on facials and things like that. We have us a sunrise park candle, and it smells okay. I wouldn't say I'd run home to the bank for this. It smells okay. I would say it's probably an amber. Is there a such thing as a sunrise amber? That's what it kind of smells like to me. We have a tube of the Skin Chemist, and this is the U Series Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. This is a good product, and you see it a lot in SinglesSwag. We got us a pair of socks, and this is the Sweet Feet socks in kind of a aqua greenish color. Very nice. I like those. We can always use socks. We got us a Chizo sign, and I think it says Boss on one side, and I think you can swing it around. It says it's a double plaque. It says "Get It, Girl." See underneath there? I'm going to leave it intact. And on the other side, it will probably say "The Boss." Yeah, "The Boss" and "Get It, Girl." So I'm going to leave that intact because this will probably end up in a future giveaway for one of you ladies out there that are the boss, or you're going to get it. So yeah, so far there's nothing in here. They're all favorites, which kind of, indicates that it's going to be repeat. But if you've never bought from SinglesSwag, this could all be brand new stuff for you. The next item I'm pulling out of here is another great product, and it is Voluta Currency, and this is a Cali. I don't know what that name is ahead of there, but it's a cold aura, it says. And I do believe it is a cuticle cream that can also be used for hand cream. And I'm sure, well, I just broke the seal, I guess. It was sealed and I kind of broke it there, but I'm going to leave it on there. I'm not going to do any more. Sure, it smells just great. We got us some Babe under eye mask, and I like that, and I think there's 5 in here, so that is a win. We'll definitely use those. We got us Banter Beauty, which I'm not sure what that is, so let's see what Banter Beauty is. Oh, it's some more eye masks. So this here is more eye masks. I don't know if I ever got these before, so this might be new for me, but of course I'll use eye masks. You can always use some eye mask. It says the benefits is to reduce and illuminate under the eye puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles, while improving skin hydration, elasticity, tone, and density. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's another good item. And we have something in this little bag, Indigo, which that's one of their jewelry companies, and they always say their jewelry is worth $56 or something. And we all know that it's probably worth just about half of that or a quarter. But I am going to tell you now, I don't and won't use these little studs, but I've got this little heart necklace and I love it, so I'm glad that I kind of have a spare. So see, some good things can come out of getting some repeats. So that is nice, and it'll make a nice gift if I decide to give it away. We got us a Cheezos, and this is a scalp massager, which I have one already, and it looks like this. It's very nice. I use mine in the shower, so it is nice, and that'll make a nice gift. And then we got us some more Indigo, and let's see what this is. Let's see if it's a hit or miss. Oh, I've got this for sure, and that will go in a giveaway. Do you want to see what it is? You probably do. Well, it's stuck in there. Okay, it's a combination of a bracelet, and it's really a cute little summery, beachy looking bracelet with some studs. And that is by Indigo, and I have that. I think that's the 3rd set I've gotten over the years with them. So I don't need another one, so that'll end up in a giveaway. We're almost at the bottom. And like I said, everything I'm getting, I already kind of knew I was going to be getting repeats. This is the back massager, and I have this as well. This is really cool, and it works really good. You can just rub your back there with this, and it's by Cheezos, and it is a nice product. So, and again, another nice gift. And then we have some rose quartz grapefruit essential oil, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I might have used mine up because I did like this. So this is a good thing to have. It's got the rose quartz in there, and it smells really good. It smells like rose. That is nice. Have me a duplicate of that. We have some more eye masks, so they must have had a big inventory of eye masks. This is the 24 karat gold collagen eye mask. These are great. 5 sets for under eye. and they do the same thing that some of those others do. It says revive the look and feel of your eyes with these under eye masks infused with 24 karat gold. The skin loving formula in each mask will visibly brighten and hydrate your eyes while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And yay, I can use some of that. And we're getting down to the end of my $450 value. And this is 52 lists for bravery, and this is not a repeat. I never have gotten this book, so I am not sure. This is a journaling inspiration for courage, resilience, and inner strength. Now, I might enjoy this. It says, to the self that has yet to find space to exit, to voice waiting to speak, the inner poet, the maker, the scientist, the musician, the philosopher, the researcher, the painter, the self-expressionist, the list maker. As you seek that which inspires you, may you find the bravery to turn your inspiration into actualization. And I was just going to kind of look in here to see what it looks like. It's got list 3 here. And list 3 says, list the people, situations, and issues outside of yourself that you would like to build the bravery to tackle or to face. So that is very interesting. I guess it's going to have you drawing things out, like number 13, list 13. List the places around your home, workspace, or neighborhood that makes you feel refreshed, inspired, motivated, and focused. I think I'd have to do a little detailed cleaning around here. I'm telling you, it gets crazy. And then it says, list 28, list the animals, both real life and creatures, and fantastical that represent bravery to you. It's just some thought-provoking lists that you can make, and it says 52 lists for bravery. So I guess that's for 52 lists. Is there 52 weeks in a year? So that'll last a year. Very interesting. So that is my box. Do you have a favorite out of my mega single swag box? I got this book, which was not a repeat for me, which was nice. I got a repeat of this. Everything else was a repeat, I think, except for them one eye mask. I have gotten socks before. I don't think I've gotten these socks before, but of the things in this box that I like and will use again are the eye mask, the socks. This book is interesting to me. The sponge jelly. And oh yeah, I did like that one heart necklace. That would be of interest to me. And of course the other eye mask, because I do use my mask. I don't know. I think it was a pretty good box. What do you think? I do think I got my $41 value out of this, because used to, you know, your monthly box has 8 items and it's $44.95. I got a lot more for my dollar in this box for a bunch of repeats, and some of them will be useful, and lots of gifts. You got the candle and the moisturizer, jewelry to give away, a little Mr. Boss or Miss Boss plaque, back massager, headband, cosmetic bag, and let's not forget our head massager while taking a shower. Just lots of goodies in there. You let me know what's your favorite of my Single Swag Mystery Mega Box. Well guys, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any current giveaways that are going on. And my 2K celebration ends on September 25th. If you haven't joined in, please be sure and do so. And as for today and Single Swag Mega Mystery Box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.